Hi everybody, welcome to the deck. My name is Teresa and this is Power Ridge Homestead. So I'm a little bit behind in some of the gardening that I've got to do, and I just got this green stalk, and this green stalk is amazing. I'll show you. So it's similar to the garden tower that I have with my strawberries in, but I just bought this one, and this is an original green stalk, so it's a little bit higher quality and better made, and it's really fabulous. And I'm going to put this together here on the deck. It has 5 levels, and then there's 6 per level that you can fill, and then you just fill it from the top. So let's go ahead and start filling this. I bought some plants that were on sale at the grocery store the other day, and just they didn't look too good, but you know what, they were only $1. So there we go. So let me get started putting some dirt in here, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so there we go. Now what you don't want to do is you don't want to fill this spigot or this little spot in the middle of it with dirt, because you're going to put a watering you put a watering tray on top of that. Now the watering tray itself has little tiny holes in the bottom, so it will disperse throughout, and then we can put our plants in. So let's get started. There we go, first level. Some dirt back in. Put this on. Then we put another layer. Now these green stalks aren't only for flowers. You can put vegetables. So I've got some carrots and some beets. And I also picked up a couple of small cabbages. And it has really pretty red flowers on it, it seems. And this one is a calabraccio. Very pretty. Looks like a petunia in the shapes and style of the flowers. then on the top, you only need to put this watering trough. So it just sits right on top, like the other ones do. It's a little bit bigger though, and it actually clips into the edges. So again, you want to make sure you get your plants out of the way. And there we have it. All done. Now, even though it's going to rain, I'm going to get some water and I'll show you how it's watered at the top. Okay, this just goes up. Now that's connected. There's a hole on top, so that's connected to the next one, which fills up this reservoir and then fills up this reservoir and so on and so on. And then there is also on the back of the spinner tray at the bottom, there is a hose that came with it that will take any water off your deck. Just point it in the right direction. So I'm getting water in the bottom tray now, so that just means that each of the reservoirs are full and there's water coming out the hose. So the reservoirs themselves are full. Once they get to the point of the tube going down throughout, then they'll start dispersing with the water in the tray itself. There we go. Perfect. I'll get cleaned up here, and there we go. Thanks for watching.